Welcome back. With me, I have a nutritionist, Jennifer Whitney. So, Jennifer, what do you got in front of us here?
Well, today we actually have pretty much some of the main foods that are in my refrigerator that I keep on hand almost all the time.
So this is what your fridge looks like, not hamburgers and.
Well, we do have those too, but
Yeah.
I always keep these on hand because they're very, very important to eat pretty much on a daily basis. And what they are cultured vegetables, and probably better known as different types of sauerkrauts.
Okay.
And they've been eaten for thousands of years in pretty much every country. But I use these for a lot of health benefits, primarily to help strengthen the intestines.
So they work on the intestinal tract, and how does that benefit you? I mean, what?
Well, anytime I eat anything, I pretty much always make sure that I have 1 to 2 teaspoons of these at the end, because what they do is help to curb my desire for sweet things, and then they help me to break down and assimilate the nutrients in a really, really good way.
So this would be really helpful if you're dealing with weight loss issues, and I mean, a lot of people are dealing then with that sugar craving, and
Yep,
especially
absolutely.
after a meal. They want to have something sweet after a meal.
Yeah, and they're especially important to incorporate in now that we're going into the holidays, when people are going to start eating all kinds of different foods that they're not normally used to.
Yeah.
And they're going to usually end up with a lot more stomach aches and heartburn and things like that. So these can actually help to cure things like that.
So this is something that you can make yourself?
Absolutely, yeah. These are some regular krauts that I actually make all the time. And this one is the goji berry kraut. It's really, really good. I'm actually going to give you a taste of this at the end. And this is just a basic sauerkraut, and this is really, really easy to make. I teach and work with this with a lot of clients, if I'm especially helping them to strengthen their gut. And this is also a different type of cultured kraut. It's called kimchi, but I like to refer to these as basically probiotic salads, because their main byproduct when you're culturing them is called lactic acid. And when you eat them, that goes into your intestines, and it helps to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. They're loaded with live enzymes, and those are crucial things that we have to have in our gut all the time to break down anything that you eat. I mean, in a healthy human, you're supposed to have about 6 pounds of beneficial flora in the gut.
So we're actually going to talk a little bit more about this. This is a subject that's very dear to my heart because it has such an impact on your health. So we're going to talk a little bit more about this next episode also. So please tune in next week also. You'll find out a little bit more about the secrets of sauerkrauts and kimchi and those type of things. After this, we'll be right back.